Hi, I'm Ace, your tutor at UScore Academy. Let's learn measuring lengths together, step by step. Length tells us how long something is. We measure with units that are all the same size, like paper clips or cubes. Then we count how many fit along the object. When you measure, line the units up end to end. Leave no gaps in between. Do not let them overlap either. Snug together gives the right answer. Start measuring right at the edge of the object. Then count each unit, 1, 2, 3. The last number you say is the length. Always start at the beginning. A pencil lines up with 5 paper clips. Count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the pencil is 5 paper clips long. You measured it! So pick units that are the same size. Line them up with no gaps and no overlaps. Then count them to find the length. You are a measuring master. Great work! Keep practicing with Ace at UScoreAcademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.